there's a rabbit. Oh, there's another rabbit. Do you need help?
Dragging your little thing.
Oh, pick it up, honey. Pick it up. It's okay.
What is your name, buddy?
Max. M-A-X.
You are the best knight I've seen today. So good. And is Mom the princess? You saving her from the dragons and stuff?
Yeah. Monster.
Max, how old are you, buddy? You're 3? Okay, watch this, bud.
Whoa. Whoa. What just happened?
Do you know how many legs an octopus has, Max? Do you know?
Do you know? He's shy.
That's okay. We've kept you locked away from people for
A
a
year.
year and a half, probably.
Yeah.
I don't blame you for being shy. Are you gonna go trick or treating? Yeah. Are you gonna get lots of candy? Oh my goodness. Are you gonna eat it all?
Are you gonna eat it all?
Maybe you'll share some with Mom and Dad.
Will you share?
Oh. Enjoy that. They don't always share when they get older.
He's not very addicted to candy at all. He's not eating any.
Good for him.
Yeah.
I wish I was one of those people who didn't like candy and
But he eats cookies and brownies.
Okay. You like the good stuff, like
Yeah.
the homemade stuff, right?
Yeah. I do not know how many legs octopus have. Do you?
8 legs. She's cute.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a colorful octopus. Whoa!
Okay, hold on to him really good so he doesn't blow away, okay? There you go.
What do you say?
One more try. Ooh, so close. You want to try again? How are you? Go ahead.
Honey. Try again. Really?
Another one?
How hard is that?
It's so hard, isn't it? It's true. Go ahead. Hey!
Yay!
There you go. So you can have the sucker. Do you want your bracelets too? There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
A roller skate and the pirate. Do you see a shark?
Shark,
Oh.
nice job. That's the hardest one.
Oh.
How about a pirate or a rollerblade? You see the rollerblade? Looks like a roller skate with a loop. That is a football.
What about
player.
this? What's that? This one.
Here's the rollerblade. Can you find a pirate? There it is. Nice job. You can get some candy from him. Wow, that's impressive.
No, he didn't. I'll hold on. Throw him in there.
Yeah.
You want to try to get it before? Good job. You want to choose some candy? Are you the prince or are you a knight? You're a knight? And then who do you have with you? Oh, and who are these people over here? Is she a princess? Or is she the queen? She's the queen. Do you want to come pick out candy? Put it in your bucket? Do you want to pick out 4 pieces? Go put it in the queen's bucket.
Try this one too.
Give it a big spin. Tell me, who are you? Who are you? There we go. What number do you want? 3. You gotta say 3 coins. What number do you want? 3. Okay, which one? 3. 3. Yes! It happened. Good job.
What's so special about 3?
The number you get here is the number of candies you get.
Oh! There you go. Thank you.
When it's under, okay? If you get it wrong, you get 1 piece of candy. If you get it right, you get 3 pieces of candy. You think it's in 1, 2, or 3? 2? Okay, let's see. Oh, you got it right! Good job, buddy! Okay, you get 3 pieces of candy. Help yourself.
How many pieces of candy do you think you want? What do you think? Would you like 1? Does that sound good? Or would you like 5? 5! Oh my goodness! All right, here we go. You get a big one? Okay. Almost. You want to try again? I'll get that one. Try it. Get it. Yes! Touchdown! Thank you. There you go. She's got your candy right over there. 5 pieces for the touchdown.
Yeah.
I'm sure you're gonna love that.
Good job. You got 5 candies.
Good job.
What do you say?
You're welcome.
3. Got your bag?
Move forward, Max. Go forward.
That is so freaking
Yeah, you like my costume?
yeah. It's like that's great. That's a great costume.
Thanks.
All right. Who's next? There you go. Shoot it up there. There you go. Right up. Yep. Oh. Try to go like this. Over like this. In front of your face. Push forward. Push. Up here. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Push it up there. Look up there. Up there. Oh. All right, one more, and then you can go up there and dunk it, okay? All right, come here. Hold on to the ball. Go up there and slam it in there. There you go. Oh, Captain America.
Oh, they're toys. Go check it out. What do you say? Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Are you a knight? A warrior?
Nice.
Oh, snake. Whoa. Are you brave enough? Mama protect you. Come on. Come back to your fear. Good job. Yeah? So happy Halloween.
I really like it. Look at how she's showing it off.
Whoa! What's that?
What's there?
Put it in your mouth. Are they teeth?
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Let's see your teeth. Oh.
Oh.
Hey. Aren't you the coolest tonight? Thank you. Oh, that's so cool. It's gonna glow at night. Oh, go check back there. Thank you. Mario! Happy Halloween! What do you say?
You're welcome.
I got a lollipop.
Good job. What's that?
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween. Thriller.
That's a strong fish.
Come on, Max.
Big muscles on it.
What do you do?
Wow.
Fishy, fishy.
Good job.
Yeah.